Looking to upgrade your car's audio without breaking the bank? The Pioneer TS-A652C 6-1/2 speaker component system offers a solid 80 watts RMS power, delivering clear and dynamic sound that fits a variety of vehicles. Whether you drive a sedan or an SUV, these speakers promise a noticeable boost in your listening experience. What sets these speakers apart is their woofer cone, made from carbon and mica reinforced polypropylene IMPP. This design ensures the woofer is both rigid and responsive, enhancing low-frequency sounds while resisting weather damage. So, whether you're cruising in the summer heat or caught in a drizzle, your sound stays crisp and reliable. Installation is straightforward thanks to the adjustable woofer brackets that fit most car makes and models. Plus, the package includes separate 3/4 polyimide hard dome tweeters, which you can mount high in your vehicle using the supplied angled housings. This setup improves sound clarity by directing high frequencies exactly where you want them. Inside the box, you get 2 woofers, 2 tweeters with 10 speaker leads terminated with quick connects, multi-application mounting brackets, and speaker wires designed for easy connection. Everything you need for a clean, professional installation comes ready to go. One user shared their experience replacing a blown speaker in a 2005 Audi A4. Using the stock head unit, they didn't expect much, but the TS-A652C speakers delivered surprisingly rich sound even on a low-output system. That kind of performance makes these speakers a smart choice for anyone not looking to overhaul their entire audio setup. If you want a speaker system that balances power, durability, and easy installation, the Pioneer TS-A652C is worth a look. It's designed to fit seamlessly in your vehicle while giving you that clear, full sound you've been missing. Ready to enhance your drive with better sound? These speakers offer what you get: improved bass, crisp highs, and reliable weather resistance. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your car's audio without fuss or expensive gear swaps. Explore the Pioneer TS-A652C 6-1/2 speakers today and hear the difference for yourself. Whether you're replacing old speakers or building a new setup, this component system brings solid sound quality and practical features that matter on the road.